Hello everyone and welcome to the lecture on AWS License Manager. So what is AWS License Manager? AWS License Manager enables you to manage software licenses from various vendors such as Microsoft, SAP, Oracle, IBM centrally across your AWS and on-premises environments. The service provides control and visibility into your license usage, helping you limit over usages and reduce the risk of non-compliance and misreporting. As you build your cloud infrastructure on AWS, you can save cost by repurposing your existing license inventory for use with your cloud resources using the bring your own license model. License Manager reduces the risk of licenses overages and penalties by offering inventory tracking that is directly tied into AWS services. Administrators can set hard or soft limits on new and existing cloud deployments using rule-based controls on license consumption, helping to stop non-compliant server usage before it happens. License Manager's built-in dashboards provide ongoing visibility into license usage and assistance with vendor audits. The service supports tracking a variety of software products from Microsoft, IBM, SAP, Oracle, and other vendors licensed based on virtual cores, vCPUs, physical cores, sockets, or number of machines. With AWS License Manager, you can centrally track licenses and enforce limits across multiple regions by maintaining a count of all the checked out entitlements. License Manager tracks the end user identity, underlying resource identifier if available, and checkout time associated with each license checkout. This time series data can be tracked to the ISV through ISV's independent software vendor through CloudWatch metrics and events for analytics, auditing, and other similar purposes. So, like AWS License Manager integrates with other AWS services such as AWS Marketplace, AWS Data Exchange, Identity and Access Management, AWS Organizations, Service Quotas, AWS CloudFormation, AWS Resource Tagging, and AWS X-Ray. So next is Managed Entitlements. This is about how to manage entitlements, flexible licensing models, and secure distribution. With License Manager, a license administrator can efficiently manage software licenses throughout an organization and across different accounts. Independent software vendors can leverage AWS License Manager to distribute software licenses and data to their end users using the Managed Entitlements feature. So this is a specific feature which is called Managed Entitlements. As an issuer, you have the ability to centrally track the usage of your seller issued licenses using the intuitive License Manager dashboard. Independent software vendors who sell their products through AWS Marketplace gain the advantage of automatic license creation and distribution as part of transaction workflow, streamlining the process. License Manager allows independent software vendors to create license keys and activate licenses even for customers who do not have an AWS account, expanding their potential customer base. License Manager uses open and secure industry standards for representing license, allowing customers to cryptographically verify the authenticity of their licenses. AWS License Manager supports a wide range of licensing models, including perpetual licenses, floating licenses, subscription licenses, and usage-based licenses, providing flexibility to meet various business needs. For licenses that require node locking, License Manager offers mechanisms to consume those licenses accordingly, ensuring compliance with specific licensing requirements. Licenses created in AWS License Manager can be distributed to end users using either an IAM identity, which is Identity and Access Management identity, or through digitally signed tokens generated by the service, providing secure and flexible distribution options. End users who are using AWS can further redistribute the license entitlements to AWS identities within their respective organizations, enabling efficient license management at the organizational level. End users with distributed entitlements can easily check out and check in the required entitlements from a license through the integration of your software with AWS License Manager, ensuring smooth license utilization. When checking out a license, end users specify the entitlements, the associated quantity, and the checkout time period. For example, checking out for 10 admin users for 1 hour, and provides granular control over license usage. So some license manager use cases. One is self-managed licenses in License Manager. This is used to define licensing rules based on the terms of your enterprise agreements, which determine how AWS processes commands that consume these licenses. Second is seller issued licenses in License Manager. This is used to manage and distribute software licenses to end users. Third is granted licenses in License Manager. This is used to govern the use of licenses acquired from the AWS Marketplace, from AWS Data Exchange, or directly from a seller who has integrated their software with managed entitlements. Then fourth is license type conversions in License Manager. This is used to change your license type between AWS provided licensing and bring your own license model without redeploying your workloads. Fifth is inventory search in License Manager, and this is used to discover and track on-premises applications using AWS Systems Manager inventory and licensing rules. Sixth is user-based subscriptions in License Manager, and this is used to purchase fully compliant Amazon provided license for supported softwares with a per user subscription fees. And lastly, Linux subscriptions in License Manager, and this is used to view and manage commercial Linux subscriptions you own and run on AWS. And that's all. Thanks for watching.